In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update an Outlook meeting without sending notifications. Whether you're adjusting the time, changing participants, or updating details, sometimes you want to make these edits quietly without alerting everyone involved. Let's walk through how you can do this in Microsoft Outlook. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook website. Click the Sign In button in the top right corner. When the sign-in page appears, enter your login details carefully and click Next to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Outlook dashboard. This is your main hub for managing emails, your calendar, and all other Outlook tools. However, it's important to note that in the Outlook 2025 version, there is still no direct way to update meeting details without sending notifications to attendees. But I do have a helpful workaround that allows you to control your own personal notifications. Look at the top right corner and click the notification bell icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, click Notification Settings. Inside this menu, you can control which alerts you receive as the meeting organizer. Focus on the Calendar Notifications section. Here, you'll find the option to turn off calendar notifications. Switching this off will mute incoming alerts related to calendar events. While this does not stop attendees from receiving updates, because that's still a system limitation, it does prevent you from being disrupted by constant notification updates when editing a meeting. And that's it. With this quick adjustment, you can at least keep things quieter on your end while making meeting updates. This workaround won't completely hide changes from all participants, but it's still a useful tip for managing your own notifications more efficiently. Hopefully, future Outlook versions will introduce a full solution for silent meeting updates. Thank you for watching and following along. Stay tuned for more helpful Outlook tips and productivity tricks. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it with colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.